organization and as a transaction. So that there are three theories: linear, adaptive and interpretive. Okay, linear model, you may understand it from the name itself, is linear, from one to down, from top to down, and it normally involves communicating your goals, your vision, your mission, your plans, because that's one way, right? Linear, straight away, simple. There is no rule for interpretations usually. Not much of feedback is required. So it consists of integrated decisions, actions, plans that will set and achieve a viable organization goal. So strategic communications, usually budgets, plans, decisions, and it reflects the most conventional and traditional understanding of strategy, where top managers engage in sequential long-term planning process with rational decision making aim to produce and control organization change. So here we are talking about conventional method, where the top managers are providing you the direction, all the important decisions coming from the top manager to the down, correct? So that's why it's called linear. It's one way, straight, simple. So it's usually managers identify the goals, generate the alternative for you, achieve the goals, and then finally after they decide what alternative they want, they will communicate to everybody else, and everybody else need to follow it, correct? Based on the older machine-like notion, the rational control in the traditional perspective. So usually it's a machine-like. Normally we just provide one communication from the top management to the bottom management, and normally we are concerned with the presentation of management plans with the stakeholder acceptance. So who are the stakeholders in management plans? Your customers, your employees, your suppliers, government, shareholders, right? Everybody is the communicator. So does it mean that everybody need to get the same communication? Are you gonna send your detailed budget to your customers also, your supplier also? No, right? You will break down the plan, break down the value. So how you will communicate to the supplier or to the customers? You will communicate only the value that you are going to provide to the customers. So what will you give to the suppliers? The prices or the budget? No, right?
No.
What you will give to them? Our requirements. What exactly we need from them? Do we need them fast? Do we need them price efficient? Do we need them quality control? What exactly we need as a part of our overall management plan, right? To the employees, we're going to communicate what is the risk in the, what are the processes that we're going to follow, what kind of productivity we expect from them, correct? So we are breaking down the whole management plan into several pieces which are suitable for their individual stakeholder. So you're not going to just communicate the plan with everybody in a plain words. You need to break it down into the audience adaptable situations. What audience thinks they need to know, right? Not based on the entire one message to everybody. You're not going to tell government everything, right? You're going to tell government only things what they need to know. What will be your environmental situation? What will be your tax? What will be your public utilities? So special things which are concerned with them only. With the public also, you're going to tell them how the business will behave with the community, what we expect from community and what community can expect from us, right? So these kind of communications are very, very important from a strategic point of view, because you want to work in a cohesive environment where everybody knows what to expect from you and everybody knows what do you expect from them. So you're going to tell the government if you expect something, right? You want to expect some kind of approvals, some kind of tax relaxation or some kind of any other thing, support from the government that you think you need for achievement of your objectives, correct? So that is called strategic communication as per linear model. Then you have adaptive model. So linear